children, welcome for today's biology class. So today we are going to study the concluding part of the chapter, improvement in food resources. The topics going to be covered are poultry farming, fish production and beekeeping. So first let us study regarding poultry farming. Actually the poultry farming is done for egg production and for chicken meat. So the egg yielding hens are known as layers, and from where do we get meat? No, they are known as broilers. So maybe it is layers or broilers. So we have to get the improved poultry breeds, then only the egg, the yielding will be more and the meat yielding also will be more. So here two varieties are there. One is Indian variety, other is the foreign variety. Indian variety is like Asil. This is Asil variety, it is Leghorn variety, and these two varieties can be crossbred to produce new varieties. When you observe, no, these poultry birds, for them we have to give so good food, good nutrition and proper hygienic condition and proper temperature conditions. It has to be maintained, then only they will be the good production of meat or egg from them. The broiler chicken ought to be fed with vitamins, protein, fat rich food. So that's why they will grow properly. The poultry fowls, no, they can also be affected by various diseases, and the diseases caused by virus, bacteria, fungi and parasites, it can affect the fowls. Regarding bird flu and all. Okay, so like that the various bird diseases are there. So the birds, no, they can suffer from various diseases also. So they have to be protected from diseases by providing proper sanitation, spraying of disinfectants and vaccination. If any of the bird, no, if you see they are suffering from any disease, they have to be isolated and they have to be kept separately. Otherwise other birds also will be communicated with these diseases. Now let us study regarding fish production, that is pisciculture. So fish is an important source of animal protein in our food. There are two ways of obtaining fish, that is capture fishing and other is culture fishery. So the water source of the fishes, it can be sea water or can be fresh water. Fresh water like rivers, ponds, lakes can be chosen. So marine fisheries. So popular marine fish varieties are pomfret, mackerel, tuna, sardines, etc. So they are caught by fishing nets through boats and all. And some marine animals also formed in sea water. It includes prawns, mullets, mussels, oysters. So from oysters, we get pearls and all. They can be grown either fishes, otherwise any other marine animals also can be used as food. Next is inland fisheries. The culture fishery is done in fresh water and brackish water. So what is brackish water? Where the sea water and the fresh water mix together. So there also the fishes can be grown. Sometimes the fish culture is done in combination with paddy crop in the field also. That you call that as composite fish culture. So like that the fishes can be grown in inland fisheries. Some common fishes grown in inland fish farms are rohu, katla, mrigal, grass carp, silver carp, common carp and all that. So here can you see the children some photographs of marine fishes and some photographs of inland fishes. It has been given here. Next let us study regarding beekeeping, that you call that as apiculture. So beekeeping is done by, so mainly why do we do beekeeping? To obtain honey and wax. Honey is used as a source of energy and it has many medicinal uses also. So wax, it is used in various medicinal preparations and for making polishers we use that. So we get honey and wax from bees. And the local varieties of bees, they are used for honey production. So and mainly the used bees are Indian bee, rock bee and little bee. And Italian bee variety, it is also being used in the large scale production of honey. And the bees are so bees, what do? They collect nectar from flowers and later it convert into honey in the beehives. And the bees, they are artificially grown in apiaries. And here the honey is extracted by machine and that you call that as honey extractors. When you go to hill station, so you can see so very good beekeeping, apiculture and all, because why do they grow mostly in here mountain areas? Because there are good forests are there, varieties of flowers will be there, then the honey production also will be more, because the bees they can collect better honey from various varieties of flowers. Okay, So today, no children, we are concluding up to this. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.